So that are like the merits and demerits.
Do you find guys who smoke hot?
Yeah, totally hot.
Yeah,
They are hot, yeah. Actually, girls also.
Everything that a boy does is cool.
What about you? Do you find girls who smoke hot?
No, I don't.
You don't find me hot?
No.
she looks hot.
Heat हो यार तुम लोग
disaster.
seriously.
Do you find guys who smoke hot?
That is true. That is true.
Really?
Yeah.
क्यों ऐसा क्यों है?
It just looks cool and it's like more they are more liberal because they are confident in doing what they are doing and stuff like that makes it cool. I don't know. They are actually hot and they know stuff. I think the guys who smoke are intelligent.
Intelligent.
Yeah.
And guys who do not smoke are dumb.
They're nerds.
They're not.
अगर if you smoke for smoking then it's okay, but if you smoke for the swag thing, I don't like that.
हमारा एक सुट्टा पीना एक अलग ही स्टाइल होता है, बट उनका ना जब वो स्मोक करके जस्ट उनका जो एक होता है ना जेस्चर समथिंग वैसा वाला
Really attracts you?
या
Well, actually, they when they have a cigarette in their hands, so they think that we looking hot.
So I'm a good smoker. Like I smoke. When I see people that they say like girls shouldn't smoke, अच्छा नहीं लगता, not like that. Like no, let them smoke. They look good.
What is the definition of a good smoker, like you said?
Like smoke lots and lots of cigarette. Like good chain smoker. Like, smoke something. Oh, smoke pot, smoke cigarette. What do you want? Just smoke it.
Are you proud of it?
Yeah, just like okay, I want and I'm doing it. That's it.
I just don't like the smell of the smoke. I am allergic to it.
I really don't find it cool because outside my college I see my own friends, including boys and girls. What they do is the class gets over and they need money and then sutta and all.
I don't think that guys who smoke are hot. I mean, I think they're not. They're just not. They're not actually.
That's a too teenage kind of, teenagers like it. Oh, he's smoking. That's so cool.
Oh, it's so cool and she's so hot. She's smoking. I don't find it. Exactly, I don't find it.
Okay, so now tell us the advantages of dating a guy who smokes.
Advantages. He would let me smoke.
वैसे तो ये
Advantages.
अनहाइजीनिक है क्वेश्चन.
Maybe we can just sneak out some time. That's smoking time for our own self.
There is no advantage except that you can smoke with him. There is
We just smoke with it.
yeah. It is good for digestion, by the way. It's a merit. It's good for digestion. Yeah.
I am pretty sure that some girls who are with boys who smoke find it pretty cool, and they kind of, to make themselves more appealing, they start smoking with their so-called lovers, but the relationship ends and the consequences they just have to pay in the end.
Now tell us few disadvantages of dating a guy who smokes.
He'll die fast.
I have heard this thing that the person who is smoking, उसको ज़्यादा harm नहीं होता. The person who is inhaling the smoke, उसको ज़्यादा होता है.
Basically passive smoke.
Yeah.
He'll die early. The biggest disadvantage would be passive smoking. यार, why am I spoiling my lungs with somebody who's smoking?
तुम भी अगर तुम नहीं पीते हो तो तुम भी शुरू हो जाओगे. पैसिव तुम जितना करोगे तो वो उतना ही हार्मफुल है.
I think I personally don't like people who smoke, especially guys. I don't like. So it's just as simple as that.
सुबह या शाम को एक पी लिया ठीक है. अब आप एक पे एक पी रहे हो तो वो चीज़ मुझे थोड़ा नहीं. I don't like that.
I've seen in my college that the smokers have sort of a club of their own where they share their own cigarettes.
If she smokes too much, like we're having conversation and she's like, okay, let's take a cigarette, let's take another one. I might get irritated at that moment. Like, okay, I'm not liking, like, just smoke one or two cigarettes, but not one after each other.
I don't want her to smoke, and I don't want her to smoke. It looks bad also.
It is actually a peer pressure. No matter how much you say it is not, but it is.
So let's talk a little about health implications. So I'm sure you guys would understand. So what do you think that how harmful or how good is it for anyone who is into smoking?
मेरे नेबर में एक आंटी रहती थी, बीड़ी स्मोक करती थी. सो रिसेंटली शी इज़ पास्ड. तो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा कि वो जिस तरह से पेन में थी ना, तो सही में उसे देख के ना कोई भी अगर देखेगा उसे तो सही में यही फील करेगा कि नहीं यार स्मोक बहुत ही ज़्यादा डेंजरस है.
Well, everybody knows it causes cancer and definitely other diseases. So it's like not good.
Smoking is injurious to health. It causes cancer.
It plays with our hormones and it plays with our neurodevelopment system and everything.
Smoking, basically, the major thing is that cancer becomes a major issue. Yeah. Then breathing problems and so many problems associated with that.
Lung cancer and throat cancer ये सब
It's written on the packets, it's a warning. There are so many ads about it. You go and watch movies and that's the first advertisement that you see. So I think everybody is well aware about it. It causes cancer, everybody is aware about it. You're spoiling your lungs. You know that you're killing yourself. So I don't know what's cool about it.
If you had to suggest something to a set of parents, okay, जिनके बच्चे बहुत smoke करते हैं या कोई एक बच्चा उनमें smoke करता है, and parents are really having a hard time, you know, जो उनको समझाने से, तो उनको क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे उनको मना कर सकते हैं?
If I find my children smoking, obviously I'm not gonna scold them. I'm gonna talk to them. Because if I'll scold them, they'll be like, we'll keep smoking, we'll just don't tell that. Because he's gonna be angry and this and that, he's gonna ground us. So that's not the solution.
Right option.
Exactly, it's not the right option.
No, I don't think so. Parents can convince it.
Parents can't.
No, they cannot. I have my own parents. I know.
How hard is it?
Yeah, it is very hard because even if you tell them, they won't understand that why are you doing it. Because we only don't understand why you do it.
So what is the ultimate solution? क्या कैसे छोड़ना है?
I think I don't know.
Whether it's a parent or a best friend or a relative, anybody, the only thing that you can do is you can talk to the person. You can again educate the person, reiterate the fact what is smoking doing to your own self. There's nothing much you can do. It is the self-conscious of the person that has to change. You know, even if it is a kid, you know, kids have their own mindset. Yeah, today you can't tell them anything. You can just tell them that it's not. You can't stop them. You can't slap them.
Polite
In a subtle, polite way, you can talk to them. Much about You can't. just to explain the repercussions of it and all. It's the willpower that somebody.
Should people quit smoking or not? Click here and let us know that what you guys think. Also make sure that you give this video a big fat thumbs up. वो जो नीचे like वाला button है जल्दी से यार उसको press करो. Let's aim for 5,000 likes this time. Now you guys can send us your questions via Snapchat. Our ID is QRT Official. Check out the super cool feature on your mobile phone. So tap here to see our special episode on marijuana and click here to see our latest video and click on this circle so that you can subscribe to our channel and you can get all our fresh videos first on YouTube. I'm gonna see you guys every Tuesdays and every Fridays 4 p.m. with a brand new episode of QRT. Until next time, take care and goodbye.